Hey there! Welcome to the video that could literally change your life. If you've ever felt stuck financially, living paycheck to paycheck, feeling like your money disappears the moment it lands, this video is for you. In the next few minutes, I'm going to walk you through a 6-month money plan that's designed to take you from surviving to thriving. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme or some boring budgeting lecture. It's the real deal. A proven roadmap for building financial freedom, no matter where you're starting. So grab a notebook, hit that like button to support the channel, and let's dive in. Month by month, we're fixing your finances, once and for all. Month 1, know where your money goes. Step 1, awareness. Before you can master your money, you need to meet your money. This month, your job is simple: track everything. Every bill, every impulse buy, every little snack run. Knowledge is power, and right now you're building that power base. Use a simple app like Mint, Notion, or a Google Sheet. I even made a free tracker for you, link in the description. Whatever you use, make it easy. If it feels like a chore, you'll quit. Pro tip: set aside 10 minutes every night to log your spending. Make it part of your wind-down routine. Goal by the end of the month: know your fundamental monthly expenses, the stuff you can't live without. Think rent, utilities, groceries, transport. Once you know your number, you're no longer guessing. You're leading. Month 2, build your first safety net. This month, we move from tracking to action. Your mission: save 1 month's worth of your essential expenses. If your core expenses are $2,000, that's your target. Can't do it in 1 month? Spread it over 2, but set a deadline. Don't let it drag. Here's how to make it happen. Cut every non-essential item. Yes, that includes Netflix. It's temporary. Eat in more. Cook once, eat twice. Sell unused stuff around the house: phones, clothes, gadgets. Take a short-term side hustle. A few deliveries on weekends? Worth it. Reframe saving from sacrifice to self-respect. You're not depriving yourself, you're buying peace of mind. This 1 month of savings becomes your buffer, your "I got this" fund. Month 3, kill bad debt, build backup, 7 to 10 o'clock. Now we tackle the biggest money killer: high-interest bad debt. Credit cards, payday loans, consumer finance, they're eating your future. Sort your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Anything over 8%? It's an emergency. You've already tracked your income and expenses. Take everything left over after essentials and start hammering that debt. This is your debt attack month. Minimum payments on the rest. Maximum payment on the highest interest loan. And when you kill one, roll that money into the next. That's called the debt snowball or avalanche, depending on how you stack it. Once your bad debt is gone or under control, start building your emergency fund. Target: 3 to 6 months of your core expenses. Stable job? Start with 3. Freelancing or self-employed? Push for 6. Month 4, start investing, the easy way, 10 to 1300 hours. This month is all about planting seeds. Most people think investing is confusing, risky, or not for them. The truth? Starting early is the most powerful wealth-building tool you'll ever use. Start with your employer benefits. If they offer a match on retirement contributions, take it. That's literally free money. Next, open a tax-advantaged account. US? Go for a Roth IRA. UK? Stocks and shares ISA. Elsewhere? Research your local options. Then invest in broad market index funds or ETFs. No need to pick hot stocks, just ride the market. The S&P 500 has returned an average of 10% per year over the last 20 years. That's the long game. Remember, don't wait until you're rich to invest. You get rich by investing early and often. And yes, you're still building your emergency fund in parallel. Use a 70-30th split between saving and investing, then go 50-50ths. Once you hit your fund goal, go full throttle into investing. Month 5, boost your income, 13 to 1600 hours. Cutting expenses can only take you so far. At some point, you need to make more money. This month is all about leveling up your income. Ask yourself, are you being paid what you're worth? Is there room for negotiation? Could you switch jobs for a raise? Can you monetize a skill you already have? Remember, every job should give you a learning opportunity, an earning opportunity, or both. Start a side hustle. Freelancing. Online services. Teaching or tutoring. Selling a digital product. Even an extra $200 per month can supercharge your financial plan. Stack that for 6 months? You're already ahead of 90% of people. Month 6, automate and optimize everything, 16 to 1900 hours. You've built habits. You've made sacrifices. Now it's time to make this effortless. This month is about turning your financial system into a machine. Step 1, automate your bills. Set up direct debits for rent, utilities, debt payments. Never miss a due date again. Step 2. Automate your savings and investments. Send money to your savings account and your investment account the moment you get paid. This is called paying yourself first. Step 3. Use a separate account for spending. Once your bills and savings are sorted, the rest goes into your fun account. When it's gone, it's gone. Step 4. Review monthly. Your life changes, your plan should too. Got a raise? Increase your savings rate. Found a better investment option? Switch. Got a new goal? Reallocate. Make your money habits adjustable, but not breakable. There you have it. 6 months. 6 steps. 1 transformed financial life. This isn't about being perfect, it's about being intentional. And the best part? Once these habits are in place, you'll never go back. You'll look at your bank account and feel peace, not panic. So if you found this video helpful, drop a like, share it with someone who needs it, and subscribe for more smart money moves every week. Your future self will thank you. See you in next video.